Oh, that was disappointing. That was like a baby burp. Jaboon. To be fair, come to me while I'm. Excuse me. There you go. Okay. There we go. I burped. Nervous or There you go. I felt that one coming on. Oh, Debistis, that was for you.
Oh, no! Not with this flavor. Oh, God. It's killing me. Whoa. Stream. It should be better and more pleasant. That's a lot. Oh my God. Rate it. You got that. Uh-oh. I just hope everyone knows.
I couldn't do it. Wait, did anyone hear I just did it? Oh. It's not like, it's like a baby burp. Not like
well, go ahead and do it again.
That was loud.
Do you want to get timed out? Do you volunteer as tribute? You. So I guess I packed it up while I was gone, but excuse me.
Excuse me.
A worm, a little bit. I'm personally like a chow mango. It's chaos. It's fucking huge. This shit smacks so good. Well, that was fucking upsetting. Like shrimp with burps. Excuse me.
No, he can't.
You're funny.
What as I using? Can you?
Yeah.
Do your biggest one.
That was bad.
Oh fuck. There's not.
Pretty good at it. What's your friend's name? Natalie. God damn. Oh my God.
Oh my. Oh my.
Burp on cue?
No, I can't. I wish.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
That's what I mean. It's like my eyes just look weird in it. Excuse me. Oh, there. That looks a bit more normal. Question mark. School. Excuse me. I was front row's family was so I acted immediately. Excuse me. Where's our pasta? I ate it. Are you Venezuelan? Yeah, I'm from Venezuela. A chiropractor ASAP. Wow, that was crazy. Excuse me. That's what happens when you chug a carbonated drink. So my dog's gonna wake up.
Joy. Oh shit. My God. Mine are silent. Wait. I can't. But yeah. Sorry.
Joy, can I have your number? That's so bold of you. No, you can't. But anyways, thank you so much for being here with me today. I love you guys so, so much. Let's try to find somebody new to... I'm not gonna lie. I think my max is like 245s on each side. But... Sorry. I've heard very iffy things about leg press just because, like... Sorry. We walked all the way to the other side. And... What's it called? We went through the VIP stuff, and right when we went through the VIP and drinks, even so, she cheated. She lied, which is a huge no-no in a relationship. So either way, just be like, yeah, you lied to me. I have proof. I don't respect.
Before anyone says anything, go with my cat, not like the anime.
Give me a second. It's not a very good burp.
Yes.
You like... She's been married to my dad. That was her first man, so...
And I can...
Like, I'd have to really push my stomach around. Oh, Lord.
Out of any alcohol.
Ever. Thank you.
Perfectly, yeah?
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Excuse me. That's my nerve.
Ik heb haar niet horen lachen.
Zo, daar kwam wat mee.
Ik zou zeggen dat deze wel gelukt had.